Hi there. Before I even pull out of the driveway, I'm going to tell you what I'm talking about today. I'm talking about 5 skincare products that help you get an amazing summer glow. Here are the products. We're going to talk about Jergens Natural Glow, which is the most amazing product to give you a wonderful natural tan. We're going to talk about the e.l.f. Halo Glow, which is such a great dupe for Charlotte Tilbury's illuminating primer or whatever that is. And then I actually do have a Charlotte Tilbury product. This is her beauty wand and it is in the color Pinkgasm. And then the last product, wait, that's 3 products. I guess I considered this to be a product because it was 4. Actually, we have 4 products we're talking about. So the last product is the Morphe Setting Spray. Those are the 4 products I'm going to talk about today, so stay tuned. The Jergens Glow. You put this on like you put on a lotion, and it develops over the day just into the lightest tan. And so this is me at the beginning of the day, and I just put it on my arms, and throughout the day it will deepen and it makes me feel like I got a tan without the sun. And it is the healthiest looking color. I can put it on my legs, I can put it on my face, I can put it anywhere. And the other thing about this stuff is I love the smell. If you have ever used a self-tanner, you know that they have this really strong smell to them. But this, I'm telling you what, this stuff is awesome. I love the way this stuff smells. If they could put it in a fragrance, I would spray it on myself. It does not have that weird smell like you're baking or something. I mean, these other products, I feel like I'm cooking or something. I can smell this really weird smell and I don't like it. I love this smell. In fact, I was ready to walk out the door this morning and my eye caught this and I was like, ooh, I'm gonna smell like that today. So I stopped and I put it on my arms. The other thing is you can't really tell. It's so subtle. So like I already had my shirt on, so I rolled up my sleeves, but I didn't put it here and I didn't put it on my face. And it's not so extreme that my arms are gonna look very, very tan and the rest of my body is not. So it's very subtle, but it's so healthy looking and so youthful looking. So while I'm waiting for my car to fill up, I want to talk about this e.l.f. product. I know it's messy. I didn't have on my glasses, so I didn't clean it before I left. I'm going to show you real quick. It comes out and it has this really big applicator. And it's like a very big concealer. And I put it here and here and here and down my nose and on my chin. I know a lot of people would probably use a sponge. Sometimes I do. But usually I just rub it in all over my face with my hands. I've heard it's a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Face Glow Primer. I've never tried that because Charlotte Tilbury's products are very expensive and I like searching for dupes, and I have heard many people talk about this as a dupe, but it is so, so pretty, and it just, I don't know if you can see, it just gives you the slightest glow under your makeup. I love using this in the morning. It's also really pretty on the weekend if you just want to wear sunscreen and a little something over top that gives you a nice healthy glow. The other product we're talking about is this Beauty Wand by Charlotte Tilbury. I am not a luxury kind of gal. I don't spend a lot of money on bags or makeup or clothes. It's not the thing that makes me feel confident. However, I do have a few things that are more expensive, but I think it's so worth it. And this is one of those products. I did a video last year. I think I've had this more than 9 months, actually. I used my daughter's product in a video. It was the Get Glass Skin or Radiant Skin makeup. I will link it down below. And I had this product, and I also used some other products in that video. But that's when I was introduced to this product. And you need the tiniest little smidge on your cheek, and then I just rub it in with my hands. I do not use a beauty blender, I don't use a sponge, and I don't use a brush because this to me is like liquid gold. I'm acting like it cost $1 million. It's not. I'll put the price up here. But my point is, it's a lot of money when you make the purchase, but when you look at it as cost of use, and I've been using it for however many months I've been using it, it really does make it a lot more reasonable, which is how it helps me rationalize sometimes invest in a more expensive product. It makes it so much easier. I got another one for Christmas and I haven't even opened it yet, so I'm so excited. Probably have a whole nother year here of this Charlotte Tilbury Pinkgasm Beauty Light Wand. That to me just adds the most beautiful little shimmer on the apples of my cheeks. I know that my blush is a lot, but when I start the day, it is more intense. But as the day goes on, probably in an hour or two, it looks like I am completely washed out. So I've been trying powders and setting sprays and things like that that do tend to help. Which brings me to my next point, the Morphe setting spray. Oh my goodness, I'm out. And so I'm gonna order some more, and I will link all of this below, or you can shop my shelf. You can shop by video. If I have a certain video and I link it there, you can shop all the items in the video, and I also have it shop by shelf, like my hair care, my skin care, things like that. And if you use my links, it does support the channel because, you know, you get a small commission. I haven't yet, but anyway, if you want to use them, they're there. So anyway, the Morphe setting spray. This setting spray comes out in the finest mist. It's not a pump, it comes in an aerosol can. You shake it up, of course, and when you spray it, it goes on your face. And if you would take a before and after picture, you'll see what I'm talking about. It literally melts your makeup to a look that looks like it's just melty, like it melts into your skin. That's another video I'll link down below. It's dermaplaning and shaving your face, which I also think really helps give the look of melty skin, because somehow when you remove that peach fuzz, it really helps all the makeup products that are skincare sink in and really do so much for your skin. And also when you don't have that peach fuzz, your makeup goes on so smooth, there's no texture. And then when you set your makeup, it just does this thing where it changes everything, on my skin at least, and it looks so radiant. Right now, I am not using the Morphe. I am trying something new because I ran out of the Morphe and I just needed something super quick that I could pick up, and it's the e.l.f. setting spray. The e.l.f. setting spray is a pump. I think it does a pretty good job, but it doesn't have that kind of glowy set that I've come to enjoy with the Morphe. The e.l.f. does work, and I think it does a pretty good job, but like I said, it's more mattifying. So there's that. Even though the Morphe setting spray has what I think leaves almost like a radiant, glowy look to it, which is why I'm including in these 4 products today, you can come over top and use your powder brush and just touch it on top of the Morphe setting spray to tone it down if it looks shiny on you. I often do that as well. But it's a wonderful product, and I 100% recommend all of these products that I've talked to you about today. Those 4 products are just such a unique combination of powerhouse products that really give me, I think, a very natural skin look and healthy glow. So those are the products I am recommending today. Let me know if you use any of these products or if you're going to try them. I would love to hear your feedback. So until next time, make it a great day.